Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Explorer. So today we went to the Ibadan University, which is in Oyo State, Nigeria, for a tour. So, and also we are going to show you all around how it looks like being in the zoological garden at the University of Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. So here we have the I think this an alligator, right? This is an alligator right here, and this is what they call the common kestrel. Common kestrel. It's a bird. This bird is another bird entirely, and this is what they call the spoon-winged goose. Spoon-winged goose over here at the University of Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, here in Africa. So spoon-winged goose. Look how it looks like. This is the Senegalese parrot. Senegalese parrot. You can see them. They are parrots. I don't know if they can respond to chat. Hi, hello, Senegalese parrot.
How are you?
So we are here with the exploit team to see how this place looks like. It's a very big zoo, and it has been in existence for a long period of time. And also, this is what they call the speckled pigeon. The Yoruba name, our local dialect name for it is Adaba. I hope you can see it. So, headed vulture, a big vulture. I think they say vulture eat the corpse of dead human being. They are good in eating all those kind of foods. So this is the vulture here at the University of Ibadan Zoological Garden. This just follow us for more. We are here with the team, just to show you guys more about Oyo State, Nigeria. Here at the Zoological Garden, this is where we have the green monkey. The green monkey here at the University of Ibadan Zoological Garden, and I think we also have one here. That's the patronage monkey. Do you see how it looks like? We are here with the team to explore more. This is the patronage monkey over here, and then these monkeys are of different species, and we are showing you guys more to see more of them. This is the green monkey. Hello. Let's take you guys more. Let's see more adventures about this zoological garden. Thank you. And also, this is a crocodile pond. You can see them lying over there with one of them. Their mouth are open. This is just their pond over here at the University of Ibadan Zoological Garden. Let's move more. Let's show you about the snakes and other reptile section. Let's move to that. This is the Exploit. My name is Akalabi Olaiwala Habram. I've said in our last episode, we are going to take you more and show you the beauty of Nigeria. Thank you. Now at the reptile position, we have the African rock python. You can see it's a species of snake. Yes, that's the African rock python. So now University of Ibadan Zoological Garden. So we are going to show you more. Please just follow us for this interesting adventure. Thank you. God bless you. Black Cobra. We have the Black Cobra here. Please turn on the notification bell and please subscribe to the Exploit. This is Black Cobra here at the University of Ibadan Zoological Garden. And also here we have the Royal Python. Royal Python here. I hope you guys can see more of it. Okay, we also have one here. That's the Royal Python here. Aduna monkey, as you can see it. This monkey is a kind of monkey with another kind of species which has a kind of different color. This is what we call the Mona monkey. We are still here. Please stay tuned with the Explorer. So we are here at the University of Ibadan Zoological Garden over here in Nigeria. We also have an hip eating here. Also here with the team. You can see, I think they are feeding on beans. They are eating beans. So here we have the chimpanzee. Chimpanzee.
Take, take, take this. Take this. Go and eat your beans.
So this is the chimpanzee, uh, the front reception to the hip section. So we are showing you around to know more about Nigeria. Here we have another species of monkeys. We are going to keep moving. We are going to this spotted hyena here. I hope you can see it, how it looks like at the University of Ibadan. Jackal. Look at the way it keeps moving all around, bit by bit. We have them here at the University of Ibadan Zoological Garden. We keep moving to see more wildlife here at the Zoological Garden. We will keep moving. We will keep moving. Thanks to the team. Please follow us and subscribe for more updates. As you can see, this is around the festive period of Christmas, so people are numerous over here at the Zoological Garden. So we are moving to another divisions now, to show you more about this wonderful and historic garden of the University of Ibadan. This is where we have the donkey. This is how a donkey looks like. So we are going to show you more of this over here in this garden. This is a donkey.
No, obviously not. Better let us speak on you. You'll be able to. Are you recording? Okay, recording. Yeah, yeah, okay. Who said you should not touch it? Touch it. Touch it.
So this is where the peacock is. Peacock is it's a kind of animal that is very that has. This is the peacock section. It's a kind of animal that has pride, with its beautiful colors. The local name is Okin over here in Oyo State, Nigeria. So we keep moving. We keep moving. So I hope you can see it. This is Garden University of Ibadan. So we keep moving. We keep moving. I think we have something here. This is the camel. So this is the camel we have over here. This is the camel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. We are really trying to make all these videos. Please subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and also share to your friends. Let them see what we have here in Africa, Nigeria. Also, please let's do this. Please turn on the notification bell in case we drop a video, so that you be notified when a new video drops. This is what we have. We have the African civet cat over here also. So I hope you guys can see this. And also we have the giraffe here, though it's not coming out, it's just staying indoor. We also have the giraffe over here. We have the ostrich here. Look at how it looks like. A very big bird. I think the ostrich is the biggest bird that ever lived.
that it's the biggest bird we have all over the world. This is the ostrich over here also.
Lioness. This is a lioness we have over here. Can you see? This is a lioness at the University of Ibadan Zoological Garden. It's now sleeping. Very lazy lion. End of the tour for the exploring at the Zoological Garden, University of Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. So that is the end. See you next time. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. God bless you.